Welcome, Outpost 31. Storm Solstice here playing Axis and Allies Global 1940. This is straight out of box with anniversary tech tokens and commanders cards. This will be Germany turn 2. This will be Operation Irritate. For $71, we're going to buy 23 infantry and we're going to save 2. 23 infantry is $69. We're buying infantry because we have this card. So we're going to irritate the Allies big time. What's Germany going to do? Combats. We're going to help Italy. We're going to send, well, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take 1 infantry from Paris and we're going to take Normandy. And that's worth 2. For Germany, I was going to build subs in southern France, but I changed my mind. We'll go full bore against Russia. We're going to do attack bomber from Western Germany 1, 2, 3 down to Sea Zone 98, and we will send a fighter from Northern Italy 1, 2. They can both land in southern Italy. And then we're going to send a bunch of planes down to Sea Zone 96. I'm going to send 2 fighters from Western Germany. 1, 2, 3. They have 2 spaces left. 2 Stukas from Western Germany. 1, 2, 3. And 2 strategic bombers from Western Germany. Yeah, the white dice are to remind me to non-combat move those subs. What else are we doing? Well, we're going to go into Russia. Why not? We're going to push everything into. If he wants to go up that way, he can. 6, 9 infantry up to Karelia. Is that what we want to do? I don't know if that's a good idea or not. I don't think we have to do all of them. So what we'll do is something different. We'll do an infantry to Karelia and an infantry to Viborg. Worth 1, but it's half. Leningrad will be worth half also. Round it up. So we're going to take a tank and we'll blitz Baltic into eastern Poland. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 2, 3. I have to remember to have, so like it's 1.5, so I round up to 2. That makes sense when I collect income. Because Russia has scorched earth. But we're going to make it Eastern Poland, Baltic, Karelia, Leningrad, and we'll make it Archangel as well. We'll have all of that. The tank that is in Bulgaria is going to go up 2 spaces to Bessarabia. That one's not worth anything, but and I think everything else will be non-combat moves. Yeah, we'll non-com everything else. So we're at war with Russia. That transport is probably done. All right, let's do the combats. Let's do Sea Zone 90, 99. I got a 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. He's got a 3. I could probably say that all at one time. I just need another die. That's his die, and these are mine. 3 and a 4 against a 3. So everybody hits. They all hit. But what do I lose? So this is gone. Take that out. I guess we'll keep the dive. No, you know what? I guess it doesn't matter. This is the cheaper. I'll lose the fighter and he'll go to southern Italy. Next battle will be in season 96. 2 bombers at 4, 2 fighters at 3, 2 divers at 4. And he's got a destroyer and he's got a cruiser at 3. Roll it all one time. That worked out. So this missed, his destroyer missed, and I only got 2 hits, but that's what I needed. And I didn't lose any more planes. That worked out. So these are all dead. And those planes are all going to go to southern Italy. So I'll just replace that with a chip. So there'll be, in southern Italy, there'll be 3 divers, there'll be 2 fighters, and there'll be 2 bombers in southern Italy. And I think that is it for combats. Now for non-combat moves. So we can, the infantry move 2 spaces, which is crazy. So let's see here. We're going to push from Romania 10, 11, 12 infantry to Bessarabia, along with 4 infantry from Bulgaria are going to go 2 spaces. I mean, that's a really good card. They'll go 1, 2 up to Bessarabia. And then from Yugoslavia, 4 more infantry are going to go 1, 2 spaces to Bessarabia. And we'll chip that. 2, 3, 4, 5. (16) plus 4 is 20 infantry. 20 infantry. And a tank. And then I think we'll put the tank from Romania in Bessarabia. And then we're going to push into eastern Poland. Push 3 infantry from Poland. And then 6 infantry from Berlin. 1, 2 spaces. Three artillery from Poland move up, along with an anti-aircraft gun. 2 artillery from Yugoslavia move up to Romania. And then from Berlin, 3 artillery move up to Poland. 2 infantry from Western Germany go 1, 2 spaces up to Poland. Over here, this is the tank that we get because of this. So the French tank, I painted it. So we're going to send 5 tanks from Paris, 1, 2 spaces to Yugoslavia. Along with the other tank will go to Yugoslavia. I'm just keeping track of that to see how many actual units I get from that card. So far it's only 1. And then we'll send 3 mech, 2 spaces to Yugoslavia. And then the infantry that are in, or the, they're going to go, we're going to go 2 spaces from Paris, 2 to Berlin. The artillery that are in Paris, they are going to go, where are they going to go? They will stay there. But these AA guns that are in Western or Holland are going to go back to Western Germany. One of these subs that's in 110 is going to go up to 125. The other sub that's in 110 is going to go, oh, he can only go 2 spaces. Shoot. 1, 2. He'll stay there then. He'll stay in 110. Well, no, actually, he'll go to 112. No. Yeah, we'll go with that. And then those planes that are in Holland, 2 Stuka's going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces down to, they're going to go to southern Italy. These planes here are all in Rome. What else? Is that everything? I moved everything. Yeah. Actually, this sub that was in 110 is going to go to 105. Go to 105. And that cruiser will go to 105 also. I think that is everything. Yep. Placing units. We're going to place 10 infantry in Berlin. We're going to place 10 infantry in Western Germany. And we'll place 3 infantry in Paris. We saved $2. Income, we're on 47. There's 40, 45, 46, 47, 5 for Sweden, Denmark, and Norway. For a total of 40, 50, 54 to spend next turn. Yeah, that looks about good. Looks good to me. So a recap for Germany, turn 2. So we'll just start with, we'll go over here. Normandy has 1 infantry. 105 has a cruiser and a sub. Paris has 3 infantry, 3 artillery. Rome, 2 bombers, 2 fighters, 5 Stukas. Western Germany has 3 AA guns and 10 infantry. In Berlin, 2 AA guns and 12 infantry. Correct. Oh wait a minute, I gotta hold on. I got to do the income again. Karelia has 1, Viborg has 1, and there are 7 infantry in Finland. Poland, 2 infantry, 3 artillery. Yugoslavia, 6 tanks and 3 mech. There are 2 artillery in Romania. In Eastern Poland, 1 tank, 3 artillery, 1 AA gun, and 9 infantry. There's a transport in 115 and a sub in 125. Down here in Bessarabia, 16 plus 4 is 20 infantry and 2 tanks. And now for the income. So these are halves. So it's Karelia, Baltic, and Eastern Poland is 3. So 1.5 halved up. We lose $1, right? Half of 3 is 1.5. So what are we saying? We lose 2, right? I'll take 2 off. Yeah, I'll just put this here as a reminder. That's the 2 for the scorched earth. And that would be Germany2. Crocodile's on vacation. He won't get to his turn till Monday. But we have the infantry train going. So we'll see how it goes. But I might have to do some other things besides infantry. Anyway, that's Germany 2, Schulte out.